How to make the perfect sandwich. Yes, I love lunch meat. I love sandwiches, especially cold cuts. Sometimes I like them hot, but most of the time I like them cold. So me, get you your bread, which I like wheat bread. And I also like real mayonnaise. This is real mayonnaise. Miracle Whip and that other stuff is not mayonnaise. So I put both on each side. Spread it out. Spread it out. Hold on, I'm missing something. My cheese. Get you some lettuce. Just like that. Now I like this cheese, like the sliced deli cheese. I like, I done broke some of these. I like the hard kind of, I don't know, it just tastes better to me. So, like that. Put you some mustard. It's time for me to get some more mustard. Get you a tomato. I like mine thin. And I don't like a lot of tomatoes, but I would do 2 thin ones. And cutting it with the, they call this a bread knife, is way better. Yep. Get your lunch meat. This is turkey, oven roasted breast turkey. How many ever pieces of meat you want on there, that is totally up to you. Okay, and I flip it over. And listen, how can I eat a sandwich unless it's cut in half? Diagonally though. And voila, you have your cold cut turkey sandwich. Pretty good, pretty simple. I don't know, I just thought it was funny making this. Let me know how you make your lunch meat sandwich, what you add on it, and what you do, how yours. Some people grill this. I don't, some people grill the bread. But however you make it, let me know. But this is how I make my turkey sandwich with Talisha's Kitchen.